Hello everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. So we are making another update video here on the Revell Foose F100 pickup. Now we're off for a few days for the holidays, for Christmas and New Year's, and so we've been out here working on this model and trying to get it all finished up so we can complete it over this holiday break and maybe get kicked off on the next one for the new year. So anyway, I wanted to give you guys a breakdown of everything that we've done so far. As you can see, this kit is really about like 95% done. All of the main assembly is done, all of the painting is done. We're literally just going to be plugging all the pieces together, putting on things like door handles and stuff like that, and we'll have this thing all buttoned up. So I wanted to show you guys really where we're at before this gets all put together and you don't see all these little pieces and everything that goes along. So let's start right here with the chassis. Chassis is all finished, it's all put together. It's a great chassis, great detail. It looks really, really nice when you've got it all done up and painted. We have the engine, all of the wiring, and all of the hoses are all completed. It looks great in there. Let me give you just a little peek at the bottom here. So there you can see we did a little bit of weathering on the exhaust just to make it not look, so toyish, as I like to say. We will be putting some ProTech valve stems on the wheels, and I'll show you guys those when they get on there. That's going to be those finishing touches that go on at the end. We do have the grill here. We have the rear bump or front bumper, and then we have also the rear bumper. Got a little license plate on the rear bumper. Let me see if you guys can see this. Okay, and got a little license plate on there. There we go. And so then we've got a ProTech license plate frame on there. Moving along, we have the bed. So on the back of the bed, we went with a Ford sticker. We decided not to use any of the Foose decals on this, as didn't really want to build it that way. Didn't want to make it, the Foose truck, because I wasn't building it exactly that same way. So we sanded off the raised Foose logo and then went with a Ford logo. There is the bed. That's the wood decal that comes with this, with the rails and everything. Looks really, really good. Then we've got the interior all buttoned up. So you can see there we've got some seat belts. We've got a couple of hot rod magazines in there. There is the dash. You can see we've got flocking down inside. Went with kind of a brown leather interior, brown leather wrapped steering wheel, and then just following through with that green on the dash and on the door panels and everything as well. And then here's the body. Not a whole lot more to show since the last time you guys seen this. We do have, all of the window trim painted. We've got all the glass in, so it is ready to be buttoned up. Hood, and then this is the the top of the cab here. Sits on there. Kind of nice that they give you that as a separate piece. It's if you wanted to do like a two-tone and do like a white top or something, it's great because you don't have to try and mask anything off. So Revell really thought through this kit when they put it together and built this model, and it's really, really easy to put together, really, really well detailed. So anyway, that's where we're at, guys. This is the current progress. This is just a quick, sweet one to let you know where we're going. And once I get this thing all buttoned up and get everything put together, we get it in its final, final presentation, then we will make another video and I'll go through all the details on it even more and really let you guys know what all we did. So that's it for now. That's where we're at. And just wanted to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Hope you stay safe, enjoy it if you've got any time off from work, and hopefully you get some bench time in, and definitely some family time, and maybe some modeling goodies under the tree, who knows. All right, everybody, so stay tuned for the next update on this. And like I always say, eat, sleep, styrene, and I'll see you all in the next video.